Hey eBay, today I'm showing you an Imperial RCA 1600. I believe it is a ham radio. It says on the bottom here, compatible SSB DSB-AM transceiver. Now, I do not have the power cord for this, unfortunately, so I do not have any means to test it. Just from looking at it, my guess is that it is not going to work. It's just very old, it's very rusty. I mean, maybe it could surprise us, but I really don't think it's going to work. So, on something like this, we're bordering on antique, so I did not attempt to clean it up very much, just maybe like dust the top off. Otherwise, I left it all original. Scoot down here, we can take a little bit closer look at these knobs. So, you have that one with the voltage meter. It says S units dB. Volume on-off switch. RVFO, squelch, and final. And then this, I believe, would be the channel. Go 1 through 23. And let's take 1 second. I'll come back and I'll show you the back. Okay, so back here we have this little screw connector with hole in the center, possibly for external antenna. A fuse, which looks pretty good. A power cord connector, some type. And something over here maybe for like an AM antenna or separate antenna. Not sure. 3 screws there. Yeah, that is about it. I'd have to say that it's only in fair condition. I don't know how much it will come through on the video or even in the photos, but you can see through that grate into it in person, and all the parts, they're dusty, they're rusty. You know, I'm not going to take it apart to clean those. Probably just do more damage than good, but hopefully you are somebody who will either just cherish it for the way it looks or possibly repair it. That would be really neat. But I think that is about it. Thanks for looking, guys.